In panic, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Damage to roof, flooding, wind
The last couple of hours rumbling through Comanche and Erath County, continuing to move to the northeast, and now it's moving toward the southeastern half of Tarrant County, and that's going under a warning at this time. Stand by as we alert other stations in the area on WBAP.
The storm is producing a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somerville and eastern Hood counties will expire at 10:50 Central Daylight Time. The storm, which prompted the warning, has moved out of the area.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 11 o'clock. Severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 11 o'clock. National Weather Service radar indicates a severe thunderstorm in Johnson County. Moving to the northeast, it has a history of producing golf ball-sized hail. The storm is now near Joshua, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. South Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, and Mansfield are in the path of this severe thunderstorm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning now issued for southern Tarrant County until 11 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm is located near Joshua in Johnson County, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour with potential golf ball-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Quick radar.